Listen up, family. If you're out here doing it all by yourself, running your business, juggling the marketing, sales, customer service, and tech, I'm here to tell you that hustle does not have to be this hard. You've been working hard, but the truth is, most of us are working harder than we need to. You're spinning your wheels, dealing with tasks that could be automated, drowning in tools you don't even know how to use. And for what? To keep grinding until you burn out? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. The Tech Leverage Free community is exactly what you need to break through that wall. It's time to automate, it's time to streamline, and it's time to stop doing everything by hand when the tech is right there, ready to serve you. In this free community, you're going to learn how to use systems, AI, and automation to handle the things that are taking up your time. And here's the kicker. You're going to learn it with others who are on the same path. You're going to connect with people who get the grind, who get the hustle, and who are ready to share knowledge that will accelerate your journey. Tech Leverage is here to help you put systems in place, build the foundation, and finally get to work in alignment with your purpose. It's time to level up. Join the Tech Leverage Free community today and get the tools and support you need to move smarter, faster, and with purpose.